Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT to write professional emails automatically. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. If you want to use ChatGPT to write your professional emails automatically, all you gotta do is simply tap on ChatGPT. Once you're in your ChatGPT, you can find a prompt box. Simply tap on the prompt box and simply use your ChatGPT to create a structure of your email or write a professional email itself. You need to provide a clear prompt detailing the purpose, the recipient and key points, what is going to be the content of the email, and your desired tone. If you want it formal, informal, and persuasive and stuff, then you need to get the output from ChatGPT and then review it and personalize the AI generated draft before sending it using methods from simple copy paste to automated workflow with tools like Cypher for more complex tasks. So this way you can use ChatGPT to write professional emails automatically. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.